Welcome to this video on the logic of data. We'll explore the foundational blueprint behind database querying, relational logic, and SQL. Believe it or not, your brain is already a database engine. When you process information, you identify raw data, apply logical filters, and retrieve specific results. It's a process we can formalize for machines. To teach machines how to query, we use abstraction. Database management systems hide complex physical storage behind logical layers, allowing you to focus on the structure and content of your data. The relational model organizes data into strict, predictable grids. We use terms like relation for tables, tuples for rows, attributes for columns, and domains for enforced data types. Keys serve as the connective tissue between tables. Primary keys uniquely identify records, while foreign keys reference those records in other tables, ensuring referential integrity without duplication. Relational algebra is the mathematical engine of querying. Selection filters your data horizontally to find specific rows, while projection filters vertically to return only the attributes you need. Combining datasets requires precision rather than raw multiplication. While a Cartesian product connects everything, the join operation precisely links matching rows between tables. SQL is the practical implementation of these mathematical concepts. It translates vertical slicing, horizontal filtering, and data combination into readable, executable code. Set operations allow us to combine queries. For this to work, your data streams must align perfectly, with the same number of columns, compatible types, and matching order. When merging sets, choosing between union and union all matters. Union removes duplicates, which is thorough but slower, while union ALL keeps all records, offering faster execution for logs. For specific comparisons, use intersect to isolate overlapping rows, or except to find records that exist in your first query but not in the second. This diagnostic matrix summarizes our operations. From merging unique entities with union to finding missing records with except, each tool serves a specific real-world purpose. A query is human logic brought to life. It begins with your intent, takes shape through structure, is calculated with math, and is finally executed by code. Ultimately, you are the engine. The machine only executes. By formalizing your intuition through relational models, algebra, and set operations, you master the art of querying.